Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to the fascinating world of food. Today, we delve into the opulent realm of fine dining and explore why certain foods are so expensive. We will also uncover the intriguing correlation between wealth and longevity, shedding light on why rich people tend to live longer and healthier lives. The health and longevity of the wealthy. Research has shown that wealthier individuals tend to enjoy longer and healthier lives. Part of the reason lies in their dietary preferences. High-quality, expensive food options often provide superior nutritional content, contributing to improved overall health and well-being. These foods are meticulously sourced and cultivated, ensuring they reach the highest standards of quality and taste. The pinnacle of luxury caviar. One of the most iconic symbols of luxury dining is caviar, known for its delicate, buttery flavor and unique texture. Caviar comes from the roe of sturgeon fish, a rarity in itself, as it takes years for these fish to mature and produce roe of the finest quality. The scarcity of sturgeon and the delicate process of harvesting caviar make it a highly sought-after delicacy, commanding exorbitant prices. The world of Wagyu beef. Next, let's explore the exquisite world of Wagyu beef, renowned for its unmatched marbling tenderness and rich flavor. Wagyu cattle are pampered with special diets, massages, and even sake baths, elevating the meat's quality to unparalleled levels. The meticulous care and time invested in raising these cattle make Wagyu beef a delicacy reserved for the wealthiest connoisseurs. The coffee connoisseur's dream, Kopi Luwak. Now, let's venture into the realm of coffee with Kopi Luwak, also known as civet coffee. This rare and expensive brew is made from coffee beans that have been digested and excreted by civet cats. The beans undergo a unique fermentation process during digestion, resulting in a remarkably smooth and low-acidity coffee. The labor-intensive and unpredictable nature of collecting these beans contributes to the steep prices of Kopi Luwak. The elixir of the sun, saffron. Saffron, the vibrant crimson spice, is another delicacy cherished by the wealthy. Its value stems from the labor-intensive process of hand-harvesting the stigmas from crocus flowers. It takes an immense amount of flowers to produce just a small amount of saffron, making it one of the most expensive spices in the world. The enigmatic Ayam Cemani black chicken. Lastly, we delve into the fascinating Ayam Cemani black chicken, a rare breed from Indonesia. Known for its striking, all-black appearance, this chicken is considered a mystical creature with unique qualities. The scarcity of these chickens, coupled with cultural and superstitious beliefs, has led to its exclusivity and high price tag. The link between wealth and longevity, a global perspective. Now that we've explored the exquisite world of expensive foods, let's examine the intriguing correlation between wealth and longevity. Research has consistently shown a positive relationship between socioeconomic status and life expectancy. Wealthy individuals often have access to better healthcare, education, and living conditions, all of which play crucial roles in determining one's overall health and longevity. With the means to invest in their well-being, the affluent are more likely to prioritize preventative care and adopt healthier lifestyles. Enhanced healthcare access. One significant advantage for the wealthy is access to top-tier healthcare services. Private health facilities, renowned specialists, and cutting-edge medical technologies are readily available to those who can afford them. This early access to medical interventions and personalized care significantly contributes to the prevention and management of diseases, leading to longer and healthier lives. Nutritional excellence. The ability to afford high-quality, nutrient-rich food is another crucial factor. The affluent often have access to fresh, organic, and diverse food choices, promoting a balanced and nutritious diet. Proper nutrition plays a vital role in preventing chronic illnesses and maintaining a robust immune system, ultimately increasing life expectancy. Stress reduction. Economic stability and financial security can reduce stress levels among the wealthy. Lower stress levels have positive effects on overall health, as chronic stress is associated with various health issues such as hypertension and heart disease. By managing stress effectively, the wealthy may further extend their life expectancy. The global landscape of longevity. Now, let's explore the geographical distribution of longer lifespans among the affluent. Generally, high-income countries with advanced healthcare systems and strong social support structures tend to have longer life expectancies for their wealthy populations. Regions such as North America, Western Europe, and parts of East Asia have seen this trend. Socioeconomic disparities in health. Despite the positive correlation between wealth and longevity, it is essential to acknowledge that socioeconomic disparities also exist within wealthy nations. Not all individuals within the higher income brackets experience the same health advantages, and efforts must be made to address these disparities to ensure equitable healthcare for all. As we conclude our journey into the world of expensive foods and the link between wealth and longevity, we recognize that several factors contribute to the extended lifespans of the wealthy, including enhanced healthcare access, better nutrition, and reduced stress levels. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.